Yo, can your phone do this? Open TikTok. Next. 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 Here's my other hand. Next. Next. Hey, my name's Quick Take Jake. Thanks for being here. I want to show you how to do that. But if you have not yet, please like, subscribe, follow, share, comment. Anything helps. I appreciate you being here, and I love you. Check this out. All right, guys, you can see I have an iPhone. So go into those settings right there. All right, then what we're going to do is we're going to create that up. But I'm going to take it off first. I'm going to back this thing up. All right, so we're going to start fresh because I've already created it, but we're going to recreate it. So go into settings. All right, then you see right there, accessibility right there. All right, then you're going to go into that second portion where it says voice control. All right, then right there at the top, you'll see customized commands. You're going to click on that. It'll open up because we're going to make a customized command for your phone. All right, so make sure you click on that. I apologize, it's taking so long there. And then what you're going to do as well is click custom at the top. All right, so like I said, create a new command. Now, how do we do that? Well, first you got to name it. So let's name it up, which is weird, but just roll with it. Then we got to create the action for it to happen. So click on that. It's going to open up and you're going to want to run an actual custom gesture, just like you're swiping up. There's some rules, you can look at them, but basically just draw it on there. At the bottom of it, you're going to see the word stop. Make sure you stop the recording. All right. And then you're going to save it, go back out. And then here's the kicker that you're going to see. Make sure that it's on the page right there. Up. Okay. Whatever you name it. All right. So make sure it's on the page or else it will not work. Yo, just want to stand by my word. All right. Open TikTok. Up. Up. Let's see if this works. I haven't tried this yet. Next. So now we have two commands. That's pretty sweet. You can do this for whatever you want. All right. Again, I love you for being here and just for who you are. Click that subscribe button, and I do lots of different things, but maybe I'll start doing more because these are pretty cool. I love you. Have a great day. See ya.